From raw steel to presidential protection, this is how Kenya's most secure luxury limousine is built. Production begins with premium military-grade raw materials. Every component arrives under strict quality control. Each material is inspected for structural perfection. Even microscopic flaws are rejected. Computer-controlled lasers create perfectly accurate body panels. Millimeter precision is essential for armored construction. Thousands of tons of pressure shape each armored panel. Every curve matches luxury car tolerances. The armored floor becomes the limousine's structural foundation. Precision alignment guarantees maximum protection. Robotic welding creates an incredibly rigid safety cell. Every weld is computer monitored. The armored roof completes the passenger safety capsule. Tolerance is measured within fractions of a millimeter. Thousands of weld points strengthen the armored shell. Automation ensures absolute consistency. Hidden ballistic armor transforms the luxury body into a fortress. Protection is integrated beneath every exterior panel. Multi-layer ballistic glass withstands extreme impacts. Optical clarity remains uncompromised. Each armored window weighs several times more than standard glass. Perfect sealing ensures complete protection. Armored doors require precision balancing for effortless movement. Special hinges support the extreme weight. Every surface is perfected before painting begins. Even microscopic imperfections are removed. A protective primer seals the armored body against corrosion. The limousine is now ready for its luxury finish. Robotic precision creates a flawless multi-layer luxury finish. Each coat is measured to microscopic accuracy. Controlled heat permanently bonds every paint layer. The finish gains exceptional durability and depth. Multiple polishing stages create an ultra-gloss luxury finish. Every reflection must appear perfectly smooth. The reinforced chassis supports the limousine's extraordinary weight. Every mounting point is verified before assembly. Special suspension supports the armored limousine's massive weight. Electronic dampers ensure a smooth presidential ride. Powerful braking systems are essential for armored vehicles. Every connection undergoes precision torque verification.
Electronic steering delivers precise control despite the vehicle's weight. Every movement is electronically calibrated.
The handcrafted V12 engine arrives under strict protection. Its installation marks the heart of the limousine. The handcrafted engine is handled with extreme precision. Every inspection is completed before installation. The V12 engine is lowered with millimeter precision. Computer-controlled torque secures every mounting point. The advanced transmission is paired with the V12 engine. Together, they deliver effortless presidential performance. A precision-built exhaust system optimizes power and refinement. Every weld is inspected for durability. The protected fuel system enhances both safety and reliability. Every fuel connection undergoes leak testing. Thousands of electrical connections power every luxury feature. Each harness follows a precisely engineered path. Advanced electronics transform the limousine into a mobile command center. Every system is tested before interior assembly begins. Multiple insulation layers create an exceptionally quiet cabin. Every panel is sealed for maximum comfort. Hand-fitted luxury carpets enhance comfort and elegance. Every edge is aligned with millimeter precision. Hand-fitted luxury carpets enhance comfort and elegance. Every edge is aligned with millimeter precision. Each door combines handcrafted luxury with advanced electronics. Hidden wiring preserves the elegant interior design. Handcrafted wood veneers elevate the presidential interior. Every panel is individually matched for symmetry. Luxury front seats combine comfort with intelligent adjustment. Every electronic function is immediately tested. The rear cabin is designed for presidential comfort. Luxury seating offers unmatched relaxation and support. The executive console transforms the rear cabin into a mobile office. Every feature is handcrafted and electronically integrated. Premium roof materials create a refined cabin atmosphere. Integrated lighting enhances the luxury experience. Hundreds of LEDs create a personalized luxury environment. Every lighting zone is individually programmed. Premium audio delivers studio-quality sound throughout the cabin. Each speaker is digitally calibrated for perfect balance. Advanced climate control maintains perfect cabin comfort. Purified air circulates quietly throughout the limousine. Special security systems protect presidential communications. Every electronic safeguard undergoes encrypted testing. Every handcrafted detail is inspected to luxury standards. Only perfection moves to final assembly. Elegant exterior trim completes the limousine's distinguished appearance. The vehicle is now ready for final mechanical assembly. Run-flat tires allow continued driving even after severe damage. Each wheel is torqued with computer-controlled precision. Every system receives manufacturer-approved performance fluids. Automated filling guarantees exact quantities. The electrical system comes to life for the first time. Every circuit is immediately verified. The handcrafted V12 comes alive for its first factory start. Engine systems immediately enter diagnostic monitoring. Factory software fine-tunes every aspect of performance. Precision calibration ensures flawless operation. The complete drivetrain is tested under controlled conditions. Engine performance is verified before road testing. Heavy-duty brakes are tested for maximum stopping power. Electronic safety systems respond instantly. Adaptive suspension is calibrated for comfort and stability. Every adjustment is measured electronically. Every seal is tested against severe weather conditions. The cabin remains completely protected. Advanced imaging verifies hidden armor integrity. Every protective layer meets strict security standards. Every electronic system is scanned for flawless operation. Thousands of data points are verified automatically. The limousine experiences simulated real-world driving conditions. Ride quality and structural integrity are closely monitored. Every surface receives meticulous final detailing. The limousine now reflects true presidential luxury. A comprehensive inspection confirms world-class manufacturing quality. Only flawless vehicles receive final approval. After months of precision engineering, the presidential limousine is complete. The final unveiling is moments away. Months of precision manufacturing lead to this extraordinary moment. The presidential limousine is finally revealed. Inside, handcrafted luxury meets advanced presidential technology. Every surface is designed for comfort and prestige. Advanced executive features transform the cabin into a mobile office. Every function operates with silent precision. The limousine leaves the factory for its first official drive. Every system is now tested under real conditions. Engineers evaluate handling, comfort, and performance. The limousine performs exactly as designed.
Emergency handling confirms exceptional vehicle stability. The armored limousine remains composed under extreme conditions.
The presidential limousine integrates seamlessly into its security convoy. Every movement follows executive protection protocols. Luxury, security, and engineering unite in one extraordinary vehicle. Every kilometer reflects world-class craftsmanship. Every manufacturing and testing stage has been successfully completed. The limousine receives its final engineering approval. Behind every presidential limousine stands a team of skilled professionals. Their precision brings this remarkable vehicle to life. From raw materials to a fully armored luxury limousine, every stage demanded precision without compromise.
Engineered for protection. Crafted for presidential excellence.
The manufacturing journey is complete. The presidential limousine begins its mission. From raw materials to presidential perfection, this is how the Kenya's presidential armored limousine